Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A34 5G smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can use night mode camera in your phone Samsung Galaxy A34 5G. Your phone camera has inbuilt night mode function in camera option. You can use that option for taking photos in night time or dark time or low light time. Okay, for that what you have to do is just open camera in your phone, and by default these are all the functions that will be displaying here: fun, portrait, photo, uh, video, etc. But night mode is not available here. The night mode will be available in more button. Click on more button and night mode will be there. Just click it, and yes, this is the night mode option, and you can take photo using this night mode. Okay, if you want to have this night mode function in the main panel, just drag, pick up and drag into the main panel. Okay, and it will be visible now. Click on save. Finally you have to save it. Okay, yes, night mode is available now. Okay, see here, I open the camera, and after video it is placed night mode. Okay, so in this way you can easily use night mode camera in your phone Samsung Galaxy A34 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.